To fix freezing issues and measurement display errors, we've released a brand new firmware update. Startup testing is now smoother, with freezing issues fully resolved. Load measurement UI issues have been fixed for clearer, more reliable readings. Repeated measurements no longer cause data confusion. Maximum and minimum voltage values are now displayed correctly. Display errors caused by simultaneous button presses have been fixed. Before upgrading, go to Settings and check your current firmware version. Go to FNIRSI.com, Downloads, Manual and Firmwares. Download the latest firmware V1.2.2. With the device powered off, press and hold the down button, then power it on to enter firmware upgrade mode. Connect the USB Type-C cable to your PC. The device will be detected as a USB drive. Copy the firmware file to the USB drive. After copying, unplug the USB cable, then press and hold the down button to start the upgrade.